Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can pair your oven higher iMessage 4 with the smartphone application. So as you can see, we have to find the Home application and install it from the Play Store or App Store. Then of course open. If you're opening this app for the first time, you have to register your account, but you can use your Apple or Google ID. Okay, now click on the Add Appliance, select the oven, click Next. Okay, I'm ready. And found the QR code. It's located inside your device on the right side of the doors. Okay, I found it, and now you have to add a permission to the camera. Now just give me a second because I have to scan the QR code of the appliance. So let's open the door, locate the QR code on the right side inside your device. It's very small. And as you can see, there we have details about the about our device. So click yes, this is my oven, and turn on your device. Click on the I'm ready and select your Wi-Fi network. After that you have to pass the Wi-Fi. You have to type the Wi-Fi password. So just give me a second again. We are ready, so click on the confirm. And if you have turned off the Bluetooth connection, turn it on your device. Okay, now we have to turn off and on our appliance. Then click on the Done. Next, select the settings on your oven. Go to the Wi-Fi and select Easy with the plus button. If the Wi-Fi icon will blink, wait for it to stop blinking. So click on the Start button on the control panel, and now the connecting is in progress. So click on the Done on your phone. Okay, that was just a file, so let's try to open the Wi-Fi on the higher panel and select the standard enrollment, then click on the Start button. Now let's try again to find it on the smartphone application. No, sorry, I have failed. I don't know why, because it's about my Wi-Fi network, but you can try in the same way to do it on your device, and I hope it should work fine. So sorry about that. I don't know what is wrong with my Wi-Fi or the device, but in this way you should find just your application here and click on the OK, and that should be end. So good luck and thanks for watching. Goodbye.